book on a seat. Williams third term now load. Third term fully load. Fully load. I'm ready for fully load up. I'm ready for drive. No, I say fully loaded. Fully load. I'm ready for drive. I'm ready for drive out. I'm if you tell you. Right now, if you need the half a tree since night, man, only understand. I remember say rainfall to the whole day, you know. And that me I tell you, now, so you know, say, yo, people out there from early, you know, where rain wet them up, you know. Eh? People out of half a tree from early where rain wet up. Me see PMP said them go a Portland. Must say last night. Yeah, which would be after 12 now, so a little bit. When they put the overhead shot with the drone, nobody was there, really. Was that empty? Remember a few months ago I told you when them draw a big crowd on Portland that it was Vibes Cartel the people thought were coming to Portland? You remember? You remember when them introduced the shark? Yeah, the whale down at Portland? When them introduced the whale down at Portland and the big crowd did come out, me tell you say it was not the whale the people them come out for. The people thought Vibes Cartel was going to come. Look upon the difference last night in a Portland. Look upon it. You see? Look at it. Yeah man, I true man vote in the account sister, but Eva gone. I just the workers, the PMP workers, them have to go knock and the JP workers, them I just them have to go do them work. You see, I say PMP and JLP, it's up to them. If you go knock the world all kind of sitting. See, so vote counts. But one thing I can tell you say, based on when we see tonight, Andrew Holness is more popular today than he was in 2020. PMP cannot afford to lose any seat. And that's the problem. Oh shit, me can't drink it. Oh shit. Yeah. Not even water you can't drink? PMP cannot afford to lose one seat. And let me tell you this, walla, breaks up. If Mark Golden, them did ever make the mistake and go crossroad tonight, it'll be a longer nail than them coffin. Because the crowd with their half a tree, trust me, them couldn't match it. Even though we realize now say I bluff them, did a bluff, them couldn't match a crowd. And they knew this. May I tell you what happened? Everything has become so much transparent. See? So much more transparent. It becomes so conspicuous now when we realize, ratted, I saw them afraid of Andrew Holness. Jeez and Pinkuns. I saw them afraid of Andrew. Mark Golden them. They announced, Zane, say them are going to a crossroad. Adita them want Adita the labor right them from come out tonight and like them know. Somebody in them corner tell them say yo, we in trouble, you know. Yeah, you see, Jamaican people have sense. Yeah. Can me always cuss them, but them learn Jamaican people have sense. Them have sense now. And me just have hope say we not make the mistake, God forbid. I'm confident in the people them. Jamaican people have sense. The people them know say Andrew Holness try to fix up the country. The people them know brethren. It look nice when Mark Golden them and the risers them a make up. The people them listen me people. You see, one thing you have to understand with Jamaican people. Yes, when them things say you're ready eye and bad mind. Yes, when them things say you're grudgeful. Yes, when them things say you believe you're better than them. You can't get them on your side so easy, you know. Yeah, man. You gotta have some sellout because we've been having sellout from slavery. You gotta have some people who run with people who stay so. Because them is a representation of them people. But majority of Jamaican people, listen to me. When them realize say, yo, the witch hunt wanna try put my Andrew Holness and I try destroy the man character. Jamaican people I see right through. You know, keep tapping up the screen, people. They will report the live. They report my live what day. See? What the PMP did before the rally, them do two things. Them went for the 1972 Michael Manley playbook. In the 1972, Michael Manley them called the election for February 22nd. A baited you Shearer was to call it the day when them choose to call it. A whole psychological warfare did that one with the election. Yeah. So them go for the 1972 playbook. So them try to get Andrew Holness, right? From last year, they must say call it from last year. They must try to get Andrew for call the election. Andrew Holness I say, listen to me. I don't have my set date in my pocket. I now watch them mongrel they make up nice. So they must say call it, and I run the slogan, call it. That don't know, you know. That don't know. Them have 3 weeks and then can't say call it. The most popular, them have 2 slogans. Call it more popular than time come. Because them can't explain time come. Because them not tell the people them time come for what I know. So them best slogan, whew, them number 1 slogan done. Them number 1 slogan, them in a problem. What am I going to say now? So when they tried the 1972 playbook, and Andrew Holness, who come from under Siaga wings, Siaga know where go on from them time there. See? And pass on them knowledge obviously to Andrew Holness before him depart the earth here. And the people them like Pernell Charles and them people when know where go on in them time there, of course they must advise Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness must learn from them. And learn from the history too. So Andrew Holness not take none of the bait. Because I'm on a fish. Him on a bait. Not take no bait. You see? So then come hear them now. If him not call it, we are going to call it. We know the PMP can't call the election. But PMP I tell the Jamaican people, look how PMP take the Jamaican people every fool. The PMP I tell Jamaican people say, if Andrew Holness not call the election, they going to call the election. I really don't tell people to find out. Real idiot them take people them for but at that them do in a 1972 and put pressure upon you Shearer. But them days that we not have social media to push back at them. We not have social media with people like me and chaps them and all of the labor right them were very bright and educated, Tari them and Navi them and all of the people them like youth them and everybody way. Oh, well I would make that all over the place, but me have to tell you this. The amount of young people were they in the crowd tonight. Oh God! Oh God! The amount of young people, you know, I have a segue before I forget and tell you this. The amount I Miller, I'm sorry for you. You better take off the P and the N and vote N. P and the P and vote N. Right? The amount of young people in that crowd tonight, it's sending a message that Jamaica Labour Party will be in government for a long time, maybe longer than our PJ parties had it. Because the youth them Andrew Holness are connect with them. Yeah. The little Nonsense when them a put out and say them a go offset teachers loan and all them thing there. It not resonate with the youth them. Not resonate with the youth them. They look of foolishness and them a come with a talk about statutory declaration as not resonate with the youth them. The youth them want the STEM program and all of them something that the youth them want the free go hard, the youth them want the loan with them not forget no guarantor and them something, they add them something that the youth them depend. See, but back to what me did I say. Can me have to tell them that? See me have to tell them that. So where the PMP them are run pan is the 1972 playbook from Michael Manley when use an overthrow U Shearer. Because U Shearer started to bring Jamaica forward by including the poor people who come out of slavery. That's why U Shearer did build 50 at school and go like a Michael Manley first build school and Castro them. No, U Shearer built 50 schools in Jamaica before them. When U Shearer get PMP, the economy grew by 18% when U Shearer get PMP the economy. And Michael Manley trick the people and tell them say, oh, better must come. That we all make our music a fight. Better must come one day, our music will make a fight. Our music is there and Michael Manley take the music and beat. I don't know which way everyone, don't correct me if I'm wrong. Zine, but anyway, right? So them try to use the same playbook now. How them pressure U Shearer was to call the election for Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness said so like Andrew a poker face. Him just say, him just sit down at the poker table and him know say Mark Gold in a paradox. Andrew Holness a full house. Like out of half a tree tonight, full house. And him just say, yo, you don't even know say me a whole full house. And I come with him paradox a bluff. And Andrew Holness just love make him go and bluff and things them in the game. Yeah man. Yeah man. Andrew Holness just comes to boom and just make them go and bluff. So when they see them run out at a bus, them do I go there crossroad since night. No, them know so them not go there crossroad, but them a try make people not turn out and make people feel like say yo, they don't want to get in a political clash and all them things. They deter them a deterrence. Yeah. They just knew that Andrew Holness is the most popular politician in the country and people were gonna turn out in droves to see him. Them can't deal with it. That's why them try to attack him character. They know that people love Andrew Holness. That's why they try to attack his character. Get to 100,000 likes people so the life can continue. Come have another 20 minutes. Zane, pleasant morning and Bridgemar. Yeah? Yeah. They knew. I remember say Andrew Holness young. Yeah? Remember say him still have a lot left in the tank. And the man said something tonight. That is very key for us to understand. Him say where we're at now 3.3% unemployment rate. Zane? Him say 47 years ago Singapore was there. So him tell we say if we get to a Singapore there economically and all them things there, we have to take the journey. We can't just listen to Mark Goldman and think say this is going to be a big turnaround in just one go. Because I remember saying no, you have natural disaster, all kind of things to push back people and set back people. Zine? But sometimes you make 2 steps back, you have to make 3 steps forward. Sometimes you make 3 steps forward and you make 2 steps back. Because I saw them things ago. Andrew Holness know this very well. So when the man say, yo, if we want to be like Singapore, where the people them, Zine, the people them annual income is like 60,000 US dollar. Then we have to take the journey with him. And if you know they have to see it, you have to make certain so your grandpitna them or your pitna them live to see Jamaica in them like the brethren. You can't be a diehard and not think about your generation, your future generation. Just imagine if Jamaican people start earn $60,000 a year. We have nearly 3 million people in Jamaica. Just imagine Jamaican people's majority, 95%, 80% or 70% or even up there, are the people that earn $60,000 annually. We not have to go on a foreign. Everybody with their foreign are going to say, oh, come back home to Jamaica and invest in the country. Enough things we have to do to get there. We have to get rid of the criminal them. Andrew Holness don't get rid of the criminal them like he that boy them will kill analyze the police man wife and the man youth. See? And by a man you go use the police find them. Yeah man, because we not play. Peggy say market time. Yeah, time for market packing bag. Time for market packing bag. Yeah? Remember we're gonna be over VG tomorrow evening at 7. Right? Time for Mark Golding pack up in bag. Pack up in scandal bag too. Because remember say Mark Golding had no house in Jamaica and he don't live no way. He don't live no way. Let me tell you something. When the people come out about Marky G time and all them nonsense. At 3 weeks time when I go out of the misery. Big up Soji. 3 weeks time when I go out of the misery. 3 weeks time when I go a turn against each other. We are going to be here planning for the future in 3 weeks time. But when I go have such an internal fight where we are going to just dip on the sideline and watch a fight and attack up a bag of things about each other. When I go beat Damien and Damien, I go beat on the back. When I go beat Mark Golding, when I go beat everybody over there with the loud mouth, when I go beat the little, excuse me, the little shark them when they send in at the party, Zin, when I go, the whole shark them. We want to full up the PMP party off. The real socialists them, the real PMP them, when me and them good, me and them not a problem. Me and the real PMP them not a problem. That's the reason why me not a problem with you Richards, because you Richards knows a Mark Golding an idiot. But him just have to do him have to do because him have to sell him party. You Richards and the real PMP them not please with Mark Golding and the risers, them a shake you up the PMP party. Understand that? You think say the real risers, them the original junglists them. When you think the original junglists them feel happy if you know say people are planning to give $1 billion to TikTokers and them include them number one TikToker when them plan to give taxpayer money. I want shark. When ghetto youths want money, ghetto youths want better opportunities, and you plan to give shark. Where they pan TikToker no want go look work. Where they pan TikToker go pan a kiss up. In other money when youth and youth want work, the original socialists them, the original PMP them, the real general them not pleased with Mark Golding, and me are telling the people, Andrew Holness will take you all out of your misery. You will be taken out of your misery in 3 weeks. You not have no more slogan or no slang when your time come. When I go change to now? When I go change to now? When I go change that now to bring the rum come? When I go change that now to bring the rum come? When I have to go change that now to bring the rum come? For no junkie. Uno junkie. Every time I see him, in tongue hang out there like in special. Blood clot. What I gonna do now? Election call. Honestly, what I gonna do now? Every time I have a conversation with you on the internet, every time I have a conversation with you on the internet, yo, tell him to call it, tell him to call it, tell him to call it, tell him call it, no, tell him call it, him afraid to call it, tell him to call it, tell him to call it, tell him to call it, time come, tell him to call it, Andrew, call. When I go to know? Eh? When I go to know? Ah? Oh no, listen to me. As a matter of fact, you see when the announcement make on the 3rd of September, God's willing, listen to me, man, and God are the idiot. A beer junking man, we are going to pass. We are going to pass junking man on the road. We have to step over them, so if we go our yard. Police, ambulance, everything gonna be out there, taking them up. Who can go home, who have to go by hospital. Listen to me. Uno so invested in Andrew Holness's finances, how the man making money, how the man pay for one dragon, give one youth now one get to, how the man throw one, maybe throw a little partner draw, in can't tax, and me throw a little partner draw because it's illegal. I know people but you draw. So you can't go right to start the declaration and say, I true partner. They go say jail. You true partner, it's illegal. You see? Mrs. Holness can't go say she did true 120 and a partner. You see? So, and Jamaican people them, you think them a fool? Once Jamaican people know say Andrew Holness don't trouble taxpayers' money, Andrew Holness have nothing to worry about. And they cannot prove or point out the Integrity Commission, none of them. All them want to know is how him get the money. How him get so much money? How he make so much money? Then can't tell the same thief a dollar out of the taxpayers' money. You know? Then because him never in a government. The man was not in government when he was making money. Eh? So then can't say in thief taxpayer money. We can say them and the government colluded in where right word for use in benefiting of a taxpayer money. We can tell them without a shadow of a doubt, say PJ Patterson and Omar Davies raised interest rate, raised interest rate and mash up the people them, and gave interest rate to people who are lend the government money at high rate. All you have to do have money them the time there. Me fi tell you. Eh? Just imagine a government is giving you 35% for your money. How is that fiscal responsibility? Which government in the world is a fool? Is PJ Patterson, Omar Davies, were Mark Golding's Santa Claus? It's one of the unique say Vegas move your blood clot. Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Me I go pass you. Jump on the side of the road September 3rd. Me I write down your name, you know. The Kemar say Vegas. Go look at life, your career done. Yeah, idiot boy, you're fool. Boy, you're stupid. You're stupid boy. You're really fool, you know. You know you're really fool. Eh? You're really stupid, you know. Right now, me know say una mad out. Presently, me know una mad out, you know. Uno not take you out for me. Uno da ba for election call no. So una cause me not understand no comrade. Comrade, me don't understand no. Me don't understand no comrade. Yeah, we are bringing a fake page and across me. Cause me no know somebody with that there avatar there across me. Right? Me don't understand no your comrades. Uno should not be quarreling with no labor right in night. As a matter of fact, one of the platform. Uno should be out in the street dancing, you know. As some know say uno never believe what uno do that say, you know. Comrades, If uno did so sure, because uno say, Andrew, free for call the election. Uno say, Andrew Holness can't call it. Uno say, uno a go call it. All big Sambo oral Tracy I talk about free up the people and make the people and go vote. Why uno not in the streets a party tonight? As a matter of fact, if I were running the PNP, from Andrew call it, me that just put an announcement and make the whole of the cameras them take the street. Because uno so sure so uno go win. Uno say Andrew fi call it how long and him afraid to call it. Why no dey on my page across me? I should be the one quarreling. I should be the one quarreling with you. Eh? I should be the one quarreling with you. It will understand on the comrades. I do not understand you guys. Uno should be in a celebratory mood. Uno na sa una go win. Right now, uno should have tell me if I pack up my bag and run away. Why uno here quarreling? Like, uno confusing, brethren. Uno should have tell me if I pack up my bag. Why uno me should have over here and me and the labor right them over here a ball? You know why uno over here quarreling me? You know why uno over here cuss me? Because uno know say Mark Golding can't beat Andrew. Uno know it. And when you see what I have to tonight, I'm going to shit on the pants. Uno leader with the hand down in his pants back and then take it out and a touch up. And when you don't touch up, you go so in the hand. Just imagine how low uno put on yourself. Uno make Mark Golding have his hand on his pants back and dig out him nasty ass. And then touch up on your hand. And when he don't touch on your hand, because he don't like uno, he don't go look on him, he go so. And brush off his hand. He don't like uno. He make sure say he knows that the camera I watch him everywhere him go. And so him no want no touching his hand. He no want Mark Golding no want to no touching his hand. He no want no touching his hand. That's why he make uno think say have shit on it. Because I want uno touching hand. No tap it, no tap it. You know, so make me over in a good mood. I want to come and trouble me. Him don't want to no touch him hand. Him think uno have germs. That's why I'm saying don't make Andrew Holness take uno lower that own war. He say uno low. Understand that. That's why I could have tell uno him have uno as dons. Him not no respect for uno. That's why I'm keep on telling conflicting story and lies, all simple lies, stupid lies like when and how did you meet your wife. Him have about 2 different stories or 3 different stories on how he meet him wife. He may ever make a mistake on how me meet my woman, she nah give me no pum pum. Me can go tell somebody say me did meet her up a Ligani and then me go tell one different story say me did meet her up a Reddy's Road. A turntable. Mark Golding a liar. And him know say him have one as idiot. Him have one as dumb. He not no respect for no. Stop cuss people for Mark Golding. Go on out in the street go celebrate. We no been at about call it. Go on out in the street go celebrate and stop. We are not uno enemies. You see? We just here talking for the country. This is our party. See when the party, look up.
We have too much land in West Portland to be transporting our dead to another base. I don't want when the dead wake up, them get confused. I don't know what them there. But rather we keep them at Portland, because them used to Portland.
Stop playing. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Them not no respect for you. Them think you not dumb. You ever seen nobody over Labour Right platform I do them something and I say them something there? Tell me once, man, when you look on the Labour Right platform, you know see people who are intelligent and people who have class. Warmington, I don't go on we have to get out and when they're ready. And it's needed because sometimes we have to have a little fire for match, a little fire from over for them part. Because we can't make them things that we are push over. And even Warmington not talk them nonsense about dead people that go walk come from over one part to what kind of nonsense that? Come on, man. Come on, Bridging. Stop it, man. Stop it, B. Stop it, Bridging. Stop it. Stop it.
His first reaction. And we met one night, went on a double date. It's my recollection. She was actually, my friend of mine knew her, and she had a friend who was my date, and she was my friend's date. We ended up at Turntable Club on Readiness Road, and we were, just having a nice time and thing. At Turntable Club on Readiness Road. We ended up at Turntable Club on Readiness Road, and we were, just having a nice time. And I was asked the same question: how did you meet your wife? And now pay attention to this answer coming from Mr. Mark Golding. And even my wife and I met her in Augustown, that is where she's from, and, we've been together for a long time now. Even my wife and I met her in Augustown, that is where she's from, and, we've been together
Stop
for
playing,
a
man.
long time.
Stop it, Bridging. Stop it. Stop selling a soul, Bridging. Just stop, man. Just stop. Stop. Stop, Bridging. Stop it. I'm Bridging Hannibal there. I'm Bridging Hannibal. Hannibal, stop it, Bridging. You better go back to Jesus than stick with Mark Golding, bro. You better hang up on Jesus slippers, bro. Yeah, man, tap up the live people. So when you see the numbers are good on them are reported live. Yeah, come on, man. Them think that too trivial for you to accept me. The man that tell lie and make up story of going even meet him lady. Them think that is like a disrespect to your intelligence be. None of you upon the live here. None of you upon the live here we married. Can't go tell nobody say uno did meet on the wife already this road and one next argument uno go say uno meet her Augustown. And I don't speak on Mrs. Golding because high respect, big respect to Mrs. Golding. Zane, high maximum respect to Mrs. Golding. Zane, but this is something me have to point out be. The way the man lie be. Man to lie be. And if it's not lie Mattel, obviously him have some form of cognitive imbalance go on. There's something wrong with his memory. That's not somebody where you want to run the country. If a man can't remember which time meet him wife, stop playing, Bridging. Stop it. Stop that, man. Stop that. Stop that. If it's not lie, it's worse. Is it? He just lie. Eh? Is it? Chuck, if I not even lie, it cannot fly. It cannot fly. Is it? Somebody said, we waste taxpayer money on buses. No worry, I said, man, we're going to talk about it tomorrow night over VG, but just for you to know. Just for you to know. Is it? Just for you to know and understand, because obviously then give the Kool-Aid for drink too. See? Then give the Kool-Aid for drink. But rob money for boss. The same thing there. See? Just for you to know that when Portia Simpson them left office, then left one bus bill for government pay. See? Portia Simpson when they left office, then left one bus bill for government pay. You know how much them pay for 35 bus? 35. When they call the bus them dragon, some dragon, when they call it the dragon sitting. Chuck your bus down me at that. The dragon slayer the bus to be named. Where the dragon sitting them? Yeah? 35 of them, you know how much was for them? Eh? You know how much them pay for 35 bus? How much the government have to pay for 35 bus on the bill where Portia Simpson left the government in 2016? The Golden Dragon bus. Thank you, Reagan. 500 million Jamaican dollar. Go look it up. 500 million Jamaican dollar them pay for some bus. Golden Dragon bus. In 2016, this administration had to pay for it. Because Portia them already signed contract fee. And guess what? Then send them up in the rural areas. Them and the whole of them mash up in less than 2 years. Brand new bus so they going to put up at the rural areas. Brand new bus. Named Golden Dragon. 500 million. And it costs 100 million to try repair them. And not even repair could have worked. Could not go with no nonsense. Them all when the engine when them a bus here. Cummins engine when them a bus here. Way better than any coaster we want put in a rural areas. And a dopey, we don't know nothing. We don't know no sense. $500 million. Portia Simpson them pay, make the government have to pay because they sign agreement with the Chinese people them for the bus them. And this administration had to pay for them 500 and then mash up in less than 2 years. Brand new bus. So no account about old bus. The old bus they are gonna last longer than the Golden Dragon bus them where we'd have to pay 500 million for brand new. You think any bus can take them the terrain there? You want some strong engine in a bus. And some engine working already. If you take them terrain there. If you take them hill there. You think so? No, nothing about this, virgin. You have to make people turn into an idiot. Oh, wow, me I drink again on the live. Yeah, I see it. We don't come at about bus. Talk about the $2 billion we have spent over Integrity Commission for them certify less than for them complete less than 2% of the reports that come to them. The statutory declaration will come to them. Talk about that. 2 billion. Talk about almost $25 million. Where Integrity Commission has spent on food. Even though them have lunch and get salary, them still to spend $20 million on food over Integrity Commission in 2 years. $20 million in 2 years. Where them I eat over there? A goal them over there eat for lunch? Where them I eat stew goal? We not take on here if I damn bus them and pray say bus they alright and the picnic can reach a school safely and come back. Thank you, Travis. $27 million in 2 years. And that we not got chat about. One drill come for help the picnic them, especially the children them. We don't have a problem say too much money. We don't have a problem say too much money. We don't have a problem say too much money. We don't have a problem say too much money. People of Trinidad to dig up in the hand. The life freeze now. At the damn liquor, you know. I said, let me not drink now. Me see it, man. It freeze the true. How is it now? That come back now. When I have to tap the screen, them and report the live, or maybe I threw me that drink sit now a while ago. Alright, good now. Yeah, man. Tap up the screen. Share and tap up. Share and tap up. Share and tap up. Don't make them defeat that live here. We have another 5 or 10 minutes. Zane? Yeah. Johnny said, tell the boy you go. Make them say you go. So remember what? When you what? One go named Big Red? Eh? So I start calling you Big Red Megs. You have to put on some red here. Yeah, I need to dye your ear red here. I tell you, I don't fight with no PMP tonight, you know. Because I don't expect say uno fi over here argue with me. I expect say uno fi over in the streets I celebrate. Uno say uno one time come and time come tonight. I uno over here argue with me. Me don't understand it. We don't understand. And we and traffic them everybody fi over here ball, you know. Uno said time come, uno say call it and it call, right? Why uno over here abide upon yourself and accuse people? And we fi accuse uno. And we fi accuse uno. You see? So, topic quarrel man, go on out the street go celebrate. Galang out the road go celebrate. Go celebrate, man. Galang out go look for my goal in and drink a rum. Go and go look for my goal in and drink a shot. Go take a shot of rum. You see? Go take a shot of rum. On a manifesto a come out soon. We will be here to discuss on a manifesto. You see? Uno say when I put up manifesto, I can see with the episode of manifesto. Alright? We will be here to see on a manifesto. We say if on a manifesto can manifest. You see? Uno talk about time come on one time come on there. That nonsense. Bill man. Twin Star Vaz no flap nobody, you know. Vaz I go shame on no. And that happen. There Vaz I go shame on no. The whole I go shame on no, because the bus them are going to roll out September morning. The buses are going to roll out September morning. Remember that. Is it? The bus them are going to roll out September morning. So no worry yourself. No worry yourself, man. No worry yourself.
The book make this. The book because if you look big red.
Oh, oh. Oh, this man. She like me, you know. Yeah, me, boy. Hey, other girl that talk about me have go. She said, "I go. Me think she a go. Watch out, all them girl. Hey, watch your man turn up. I would have turned back her. I would have turned up back at you. Eh, what? Good. Me bombo. Good. Lad. Time come for your breast. Ayaw ba buy the person for night for my life? Hey, tap trouble me. Tap trouble me, man. When you go, what? I want the. No. Stop it. Me know if you go, you know, see you like me. If you go, you know, you're backside, man. Mrs. If you go, just see you like me. Cha. Oh, you a good belly. Boy, God. You nyam too much. You're too rasgrave. You nyam too much. You see? Go talk about go and big red. You nyam too much. Damn craven. You're too damn craven, man. Eh? You're too damn craven. You're too damn greedy. You can nyam and stretch out the wall of your belly. Huh? We are talking about time come and then go and back and sitting. Tap it, man. You nyam too much. You come like when woman do lipo and still go nyam a belly full and it bust back out. Tap it, man. Tap it, man. Tap the trouble upon the live. Stop it. Tap it. Sure. If you go, you know, just say like me. Eh? just say you like me. You come and talk about big red, blah, blah, blah. Sure. Nyam too much, man. You nyam too much. Sure. Twin Star, bars now cause not, man. Tap worry your head, man. Tap, where you worry about, man? Tap worry your head. You want to put money on it? Eh? Put money on it. Me I bet you $200. And you have to pay me. Because I go sue you if you don't pay me. No. Me I bet you $200. And you have to sell it to me. See? And if me can't lose. But God forbid, me I give you $200. Put $200 on it. Alright? Let me make sure save you. No, you know what? You don't have no real image. If you have a real picture on the system, I know say you me that do it. Because me that sue you for me $200. Carry a small claims court and sue you. You see? Alright. Since I'm me the artist, sell me the money make me wallet. Me give back 5 times your money if PMP win. Me I give you 5 times your money if PMP win. Me are the banker. Send the money to me. Send the money to me right now. Yeah? Send the money to me. Yeah. Backside. Me know why you remember me nothing. Because you not going to remember a damn thing. Zane? But all in all, people, Zane, big up a girl where somebody said Vegas, you're only artist for GLP rallies. Now guess what? If I'm only artist for, oh, by the way, remember with the Belgium the 16th, Amsterdam the 17th, New York City Reggae Fest on the 30th, October I'm gonna be in Connecticut. Yeah, I'm gonna go up on the road after and do some. And my album is coming out. My album Ghetto Reggae is coming out the 29th of August. I should have announced it on the stage since that I don't know how it slipped me. See? And remember, comrades, I'll be walking around the country looking for you on the 3rd of September and offering any assistance I can offer, because we're not going to be some junking people in the street, we're not rummed people them in the party. We're not look a rummed party. See? And remember, tomorrow night we over VG. See? See at Reggae Fest, whosoever your name is, yeah? And remember, we come in peace and bring love at all times. So, yeah, we don't war over politics, we don't fight over politics, we don't quarrel with each other over politics. You could either fly back to them like excellence them or O'Keefe them all of course. But O'Keefe a good youth. O'Keefe just a do what he have to do. But the one in excellence and the one in Diego, I can't wait to pick them up a road junk after election done. Zine, but trust me, I really backslider Vegas. That's why Pastor Gino Jennings usher your all time church. Jesus Christ. Why you say that, man? My God. Why you have to bring up that? Sure. That's cool, no, man. You see, I just I make you one chatty and now I laugh. Chew me bufar look a while, you gear back and forward. I see me just bufar. You see you zest, you're wicked. You see me just buff chatty, she did chatty. I gear back and forward. That's cool, no, man. Sure. Look at Zest, please. We could pull up Zest there. Pull up Zest.
There's nothing there for to pull up.
Zest. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah. Yeah. Just after me boof Chadia, we nyame licky hungry belly. Craving. Chadia, tap nyam so late before you go to bed at night time. Tap nyam so late, man. And I bust out the clothes them with people have to buy a whole for expensive clothes. And you bust out the clothes them and I stretch out the clothes them. And when you look my woman and turn up back in your house, look like you stretch out her jeans. Tap nyam so late. You're too craving. You're too greedy, man. Go your bed. Go your bed. Go to your damn bed. Come, hey, come out of fridge. Come out of fridge and go along your bed. Go along your bed. Go to your bed. My God. What time is it now? It's 2 o'clock in America. America, you there? Holy Moses, man. Go to your bed, man. You nyam too much. Eh? See, she go eat chicken now. Me tell you, she craving, girl. Greedy. Craving. You're too damn craving, man. Later, people, it was nice reason with the item. Tomorrow night, over VG, I thump up the boy Alvaro in my mouth. Zane, because boy I love working bright. Alright? Look more.